Human versus AI through tolerance test of creative thinking. Have you ever used artificial intelligence, the AI? I think probably many of the students have used AI. This is to be expected. Many of the people who have used it would know AI is significantly useful and helpful to us. But at the same time, it is also a competitor that threatens our jobs. However, what if in the distant future AI surpasses human? This is an important question for all of us living in the future, and the one that is probably on our collective minds as a society, yet many people around the world say that human creativity is the solution that will allow us to survive the competition with artificial intelligence. But is the social belief true? Unfortunately, we haven't found any scientific papers that prove that human creativity is better than AI. So we decided to compare the creativity of humans and AI through a test known as the Tolerance Creativity Test, or TTCT for short. We're going to present our findings in this article.
This is the contents table that announces our research. As you see above, the presentation will be in progress of the study, the participants in the experiment, what is TTCT, and the result and implications of the study. First of all, we conducted the research to answer three questions. First, the creativity capabilities of artificial intelligence exist. Is the creativity of artificial intelligence superior to that of human? And finally, which creative abilities should individuals develop? The first question we wanted to know was whether AI has ability to be creative. The second question we wanted to know was whether AI's creativity is better than humans' one. Finally, the third one was what kind of creative skills individuals need to develop in order to compete with AI in the future. By answering these three questions, we ultimately shed light on the attributes that humans should take in the future. The next step is the participants of research. The participants of our research was Korean students. There were two groups who joined this project. The first group was Korean middle school students who prepare special purpose high school, and the other group was first graders of mature students. The total number was 78, and we scored their creativity by the TTCT.
TTCT stands for Torres Test of Creative Thinking and was published by Dr. Torres in 1962 to measure divergent creativity. We used a Korean adaptation of his test. The TTCT assesses creativity by dividing it into several subdimensions: fluency, originality, abstraction of ideas, resistance of hasty termination, sophistication, and creative strength checklists. Here are the results and implications of the study. First, we addressed our first hypothesis: is creativity in AI real? To test this hypothesis, we use the book Theories and Themes, Research, Development, and Practice. We utilized the definition of creativity from the book. The book defines creativity as the ability to produce something novel, useful, and of appropriate value, and categorizes creativity as fluency, flexibility, originality, and sophistication as sub-elements of creativity. We use ChatGPT as a benchmark to see if the book's definition and subcomponents of creativity are also present in AI. The result was that AI has creativity.
The second question was that is the creativity of artificial intelligence superior to that of human? This graph is the scores between students and artificial intelligence. The answer to the second question was derived from the experimental results. The results of the creativity tests of students and AI allowed us to compare the creative scores of the two groups. The scores showed that AI outperformed humans in three of the subcategories of creativity: fluency, originality, and sophistication, while humans were superior in the abstractness of the subtitle and sophistication, and the checklist of creative strengths, and scored the same in the resistance to hasty closure. Our final hypothesis was about what creative abilities humans need to develop. Recent society has suggested that creativity is a skill that humans need to cultivate to compete with AI in the future. However, according to our research, we want to suggest that the skills humans need to develop is not just a vague notion of creativity, but a skill based on the abstractness of title and a checklist of creative strengths. This presentation was from the Human versus Artificial Intelligence, Comparing Students and AI's Creative Problem-Solving Skills by Ijeon and Park So-young. Thank you.